We are going to Singapore's first and only restaurant in a cave setting. Hindi naman siguro to. This is just the entrance. CAVERN Restaurant, Singapore Restaurant. Looks nice. Meron pa siyang waterfalls. Okay, magandang setting pala rito. Ang daming mga puno. And si Evans playing on the slides. May bird paradise pala. Uy, may seal pala rito. Well, this must be new in Singapore. Rainforest, Wild Asia. Okay, and this way to the CAVERN Restaurant. Pero bibili ka muna ng mga souvenirs. Uy, ganda. Ganda niya, oh. Ano siya? Para na rin siyang cave, oh. Nice one. Everything's designed like a cave, oh. Ganda. Oh, piti yung pasukan, oh. Parang kuweba din, ah. Rainforest Wild Shop. Talaga, it's designed like a cave. Okay. This is Cole's graduation party. Huh? Cole's graduation party to.
Congrats,
Oh, Cole's graduation party. Yeah, Cole's graduation party. Celebration. Graduate na siya ng college.
Actually not bad. I was looking at their menu. Not bad though. Their prices for a cave restaurant. Yung kids menu one, the $12.
Okay, so what are the food? Claude, what are the food there?
They have, well, their best sellers are the mushroom soup, the Stone Age burger, the pulled pork tacos, the mushroom fettuccine.
Pulled?
Pulled pork taco, the cave smoked ribs.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Magkakanin naman yan?
Not bad. Parang 20 to 30 Singapore dollars.
20 Singapore. Okay, reasonable.
Enter mo. Doon sa Pilipinas, baka mahal yung...
Oh, wild mushroom soup is good. Wow, taco. Sarap, ang sarap. Anong klaseng taco to, Berna? Pork taco. Wow. Anong order ni Evan? Si Evan, macaroni. Oh, okay. Si Cole wala pa, mukhang gutom na. Oh, wow. Tapos kaya ni Evan yan. Ang daming pagkain yan. May French fries pa. Oh.
Hindi, sila John kumakain sa no name.
Yun yung original, Mom.
No, we go to
Oh,
I have it in my
more
stories.
food coming. What is that?
Mushroom ragout.
What?
Ragu? No, it's not.
What do you call it?
Ragout.
What do you call it?
It's like a mushroom fettuccine.
Okay. Uy, mukhang masarap yan, oh. Minimix pa lang, mukhang masarap na, oh. Oh, wow. That looks... Kaninong order yan? Just,
Share.
Cave... Anong tawag dyan? Cave rib? Oh, that looks good, no? Cole, umpisa mo na yan, yung ribs. Ako, busog na, sa totoo lang.
You want what?
Oh, daming food, ah. Another pasta. Wow, that looks good. Oh, tapos yung hamburger, oh. Bakit dala-dalawa yung hamburger? Why? There's two hamburgers.
Yeah, because of Cole and...
Cole and John. Oh, okay. Wow. Yan, masarap. Yan, sarap yung ribs. Ano sabi mo na mas masarap ng pasta?
Yung rigatoni.
Rigatoni?
Yes.
Ano ba yung in-order mo?
The best seller, the mushroom.
Okay. Sandali ah. Okay. Oh, look here. Gold. Smile. Okay, smile. Oh, sige na. Tingin na dito. Smile. Okay. Alright.